Welcome back to a new video, friends. Today I'm going to tell about how can you change time in the Redmi phone, guys. And guys, how to change time in the Redmi phone. Today I will tell you guys how to change time in the Redmi phone. So before starting video, friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so guys, first of all, go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. Now let's start video, friends. First of all, open your phone setting. Then guys, you will have to come on additional setting. Click here. First guys, you can see date and time. Click on time option. And guys, now time is 10:45. And guys, set of 10:45. Then guys, okay. So right now you can see my time has changed 10:45. So that's it guys, I hope you have understood how to change time in Redmi phone. So that's it guys, thank you for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like, comment, subscribe my channel. Bye bye.